stability ball side sit-up. We're going to pretend that this is my wall. Now my wall has a hole through it, but yours will not. Put yourself up against the wall. Put your right leg forward if you're facing the camera, and your left leg facing the ball. Come all the way close to the wall. Right leg on the wall. Straighten the leg. Put your left leg back. Now you notice this ball is supported by my hip. Put your hand down on the floor. Look forward. Inhale it up. Lower it down. Now this is a small movement. Push it up and down. You can also have the top knee bent. Come up. Lower it down. Start a little lower. Come up. Reach it out. Come up. Reach it out. Now at the end of your repetitions, hold your hand here. Bring your arm up in the air. Side bend. Stretch over. Don't forget this part, it's delicious. Coming back up, bending your knees. The stability ball side crunch.